Hello bachcho, let's look into this question. In this question we are told that if x square minus 22x cube plus 159x square minus 418x plus 300 is less than 20, then 3x can assume how many integral values. First thing first, we'll write this equation down. So x to the power 4 minus 22x cube plus 159x square minus 418 x plus 300 less than 0. Okay, so this has to be less than 20. Fantastic. Now one thing that you have to pay attention, you'll have to transpose this thing to this side. So this will become 300 minus 20 is 280. Okay, less than equals to 0. 418x, and the rest of the things remain same, so I'll not waste time. One thing that I want to do quickly is I want to check for x equals to 1. For x equals to 1 I want to check, so let's do that. I'll substitute the value 1 minus 22 plus 159 minus 418 plus 280, that needs to be equals to 0. अगर ये 0 हो गया तो x equals to 1 is a root जो हम करना चाहते हैं. Now typically these two are going to be 21 minus 21 minus 21 plus 159. Okay, so let's do this. This is going to be 8 and 3, 138. Okay, 138 minus, say 1 minus 418. So 418 minus 138, this is going to be 0. 11 minus 3 is 8, and this is going to be 3 minus 1, that is 2. So this is 280. Now remember, this is negative 280. We already have a positive 280. Negative 280, positive 280 becomes 0. Now that means that I'll write it somewhere. X equals to 1 is a root. ठीक है, और जब भी हमें x equals to 1 रूट मिल जाता है तो हम इसके बाद ये भी predict कर सकते हैं that x minus 1 is a factor of this expression. Now let's use synthetic division. So I'll straight away write 1 minus 22 plus 159 minus 418 plus 300. So because I know that x minus 1 is a factor, I'll directly use synthetic divisions to find other factors. I'll write 1. The first term will come as it is. So 1 ones are 1. So this is going to be minus and minus of 21. So this will be minus 21. 159 minus 21 is 138. I'll just multiply 138. 418 and 138. 0, 2. Okay, just a second. This is not 300. This is 280. Right, because we have calculated this. So this is going to be 11 minus 3 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 280. Okay, so you're getting minus 280. You get minus 280. So the remainder is 0. Now what does this mean? Typically what this means is, now this expression, now I'll write it over there, x cube minus 21x square plus 138x minus 280 is also a factor of this expression, the quartic expression x minus 1. Okay, so let's write it also somewhere. This is going to be a little time consuming, but let's do it. X, just a second. X cube minus 21x square plus 138x. So this is just mechanical work now. 280. All right, let's create some space. Now I need to check. Now I have already told you that if x equals to 1 has already been is already a factor, there is rarely a chance that you will get x equals to 2 or x equals to 3. So I'll try to find a little large number, because I'm saying there is a minus 280. So let's start off with at x equals to 4. At x equals satisfied. So I want to just substitute x equals to 4. The logic behind that is because the expression already has a 280. So let's substitute that. So this is going to be 16 4s are. So I'll keep it like this. It'll help me do the multiplication a little faster. Minus 16 into 21 plus 4 into 138 minus 280. Now see, this is 16. If you take common, this is going to be minus 17. Okay, because 21 minus 4. This one is 138 times 4, that is 32, 3, 12, 5, 1, 5, 552 minus 280. 16 into 17, how do you do that? You'll do Vedic maths. 42, 4, 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 4 is 17, 1, this is 272. Okay, so minus 272, minus 272 minus 280 plus 552. That is equals to 2, 7 and 8, 15, 1, 5 minus 552 plus 552. This gives me 0, right? What does this mean? It typically means that x equals to 4 also satisfies. Okay. When x equals to 4 is a factor, all I need to do is do the labor again, use this equation and find the other one. So I'll use synthetic division again. 21, 138, 280. Now I'm just looking for the factors. So I'll write 4. This one will be 1. So this is 4. 21 minus 4 is 17. 40 and 28, 68. So this is going to be, is everything okay? Yeah. Oh, sorry, this is minus 17. Yeah. And this is going to be minus 25. Sorry, this is going to be, no, 17 is fine. What am I doing? So this is 68. Yeah. This is going to be 0. 13 minus 6 is 7. And that's it. 70. 7 4s are 28. Now remember that this is negative, this is positive, remainder is 0. Okay, so what do I get? This is a cubic, so what I typically will get is x square minus 17x plus 70. And you can also write x minus 1, x minus 4. So the quartic, this quartic can be broken down like this. Now what about this? I need two numbers, the product of which is 70 and the sum of which is minus 17. So you will know typically those two numbers will be x minus 7 and x minus 10. Okay, that's it. Now what I can do is, because I know that x equals to 7 also satisfies, x equals to 10 also satisfies. Now what I can do is I will just plot them in the number line. Okay, so that will be, okay, so this is not x minus 1, this is x equals to 1. Okay, so this is going to be 1, 4, 7 and 10. Now remember the scheme that we use. These, we need negative values. So these values. So x can be between 4 and 1 and x can be between 10 and 7. But typically we are looking for 3x. So this will be 30 and 21 and this will be 12 and 3. How many values will you get? From 4 all the way till 12 and from 21 all the way till 30. Now you can either do it like that or you can directly add them. So they are actually going to be 16 values. So 16 is the answer to this question. Thank you.